first experience, while going through chemotherapy, the doctors don't normally allow you to take supplements. Kasi nga, kontra yon sa medicine. Diba? But, naughty ako. And I was desperate. And I believed that what I researched about so much that I decided I would continue to take my barley every day kahit hindi alam ng mga doctors ko. And by God's grace, from nearly not being able to recover soon enough for my next chemo, on my second cycle, 4 days pa lang, fully recovered na ako. The doctors also told me, this is my second experience, that my period would completely stop. Imagine 31 years old pa lang ako. It would stop forever daw because isa daw yon sa permanent side effects ng chemotherapy. Instant menopause. Imagine that ringing in my ears. So I prayed so hard and I believed I would be blessed with another child. Imagine from being completely in menopause. After 2 years, my system corrected itself and my period came back. I am a 23-year-old breast cancer survivor.